Start, ready, go. Everything's changing with the new Star range, except the name. Even more agile, more robust, and more reliable, the Star range is packed with performance to boost your business. Star means choosing easy solutions for 8 or 10-meter vertical masts with jib. To provide maximum efficiency and safety, Star is an uncompromising machine. Combining agility and durability with easy maintenance and simple transport, Star is the ideal solution to carry out daily tasks aloft. Star is so agile that it can get to the hardest to reach places. Its asynchronous AC motor gives it high torque and precise and smooth control. It features fingertip operating and driving, with unparalleled accuracy and comfort. Operators can confidently work with this machine and can fully benefit from its 3-meter horizontal outreach. And it's even easier with an upper control box equipped with a new joystick and new command buttons. Driving and maneuvering aloft are more intuitive, safer, and more precise. Wherever it operates, Star works seamlessly with no risk of damaging the machine or its surroundings, since there is no tail swing. Star is versatile, designed for indoor or outdoor use on stable ground. Star 8 can carry up to 2 operators indoors or outdoors for maximum efficiency. The new Star 810 now boasts an embedded diagnostic system called Haulotte Active Screen. It is very easy to use, delivering essential information in real time, facilitating maintenance and repair, as well as providing diagnostic alerts or recommended machine adjustment. Active Screen is a time saver, helping assure compliant and economical upkeep. To carry out complete and even more advanced controls, simply connect Haulotte Diag through the dedicated plug in the lower control box. The new Star also now uses asynchronous motors. Renowned for their reliability and robustness, asynchronous motors require no regular maintenance since there are no carbon brushes to be replaced. Because asynchronous motors take up less room, maintenance operations, when needed, are easier and faster to carry out. It is no longer necessary to top up the water levels of each battery. A simple push of a button located on the turret fills them automatically. Filling is fast and easy, taking less than a minute, and there is no risk of acid spray. To facilitate routine daily operations, as well as to ensure more complete maintenance procedures, Star has been designed to provide quick access to control points and components. Operators, for example, simply open the turret hood to check if the slope detector is working properly. To quickly verify chains and cables in the boom case, operators use the maintenance hatch, conveniently positioned on the turret. Components on the bottom part of the chassis are also easily accessible, simply by dismantling the interconnected hoods. Downtime is thus reduced to a minimum. For daily use and in transit, hoods are often the first parts to be exposed to shocks. This almost invariably leads to repair or replacement expenses. Star hoods are not simply hoods, but act as true bumpers. Thanks to an innovative process developed for the automobile industry, new Star hoods with shape memory retention are extremely resistant to shocks. They thus contribute to optimizing total cost of ownership. To counter natural wear, the upper control box is given a special anti-corrosion treatment. To significantly increase the durability of Star, all axles and rings are also given a special high-quality anti-corrosion treatment, as are all hardware parts such as screws and bolts. All Star components have been selected to meet strict criteria for reliability and durability. An exclusive Haulotte innovation, a patent-pending integration of the fork tine pockets into the chassis, was built into the design of Star, thus greatly facilitating transport. This totally revamped chassis incorporates specially designed areas to attach forks. With this simple and efficient solution, the operator can lift Star without any risk of tipping over. These large and easily accessible slinging points make it easy to tie down Star. To simplify handling operations, 2 solutions are offered for stowage lifting, using specific points on the chassis or on the upper part of the boom. Star easily goes up truck ramps with a slope of up to 25%. This is an added advantage that allows the machine to be quickly deployed in all types of buildings and on construction sites with sloped areas. Both the 8 and 10-meter Star models offer a wide range of applications. Their options will fulfill your most demanding requirements for practicality and productivity. With their swing gate entry, electrical connection point, and airline in the platform, while maintaining the highest safety standards, with flashing light, work light, and our patented secondary guarding system, Haulotte Active Shield Bar. The Star 810 range is specifically designed to respond to a wide array of indoor applications, such as cleaning and maintenance jobs, as well as for finishing and fitting work such as electricity, plumbing, painting, HVAC, fire prevention systems inspections, etc. At the same time, for outdoor applications, it is useful for lighting, signage, and a variety of repair or installation jobs. With its built-in features, Star is also invaluable in fields such as distribution and logistics for stock picking and inventory tasks. Of course, it is also at home on TV production sets, concert stages, at trade shows, or any other event where there is a need to install lighting fixtures or build sets. Start, ready, go!